Everyone, my name is Mohammad Zaid, and today sir has given us a topic that is movies are better or watching reading books are better. So we are gonna speak about it. Zaid, and today I am going to support the books.
Hello, my name is Shailesh. Today I am going to support movies.
Hello, my name is Prachi and today I am going to support movies.
Okay, my name is Raz. I'm supporting reading books. So we are going to start, okay, from the books. First of all, it's my first opinion which I'm going to deliver you guys. Why reading books is important? Because we are going to be disciplined or the mannerful because of the books. And in the society, if I talk about, then we are going to influence the society because of the books. Most of the people, they have read the books and they are getting information, and after that they are going to deliver in the society. By this we are going to a lot of things, we are going to learn a lot of things by the people because they have studied about the books. The second things, if I talk about the communication, so obviously it came by the books. If we are going to communicate anybody, so we should know how to communicate others. So it's my second point. If you want to communicate others, if you are introvert, you don't have that capacity to talk in the public, so obviously you should have, you will be introvert. Why? Because of the books, how you can get rid of these things. It's my second point. So first of all, you guys give your opinion why movies are important first, then I will start my next point. So please.
So I think movies are important because movies can make understand better anything, and for books, a person should be literate. But for movie, I think an illiterate person can understand the topic, and the movie we can say is more interesting than reading book. That's why I'm supporting movie.
With watching movies, there's a lot of thing happens that you listen to music, and that will be a change in your mind, and you will be addicted for it. And if you'll read books, so there is no addiction in it. That is my point.
But now children like creativity in all the things, and now many animation movies are come by which children learn easily. Like if you talk about Ramayana and Mahabharat, I know Mahabharat and Ramayana by seeing Tulsidas Ramayana in Doordarshan. So we learn easily things by seeing pictures and animated things, and it remains in our brain a long time.
You mentioned about the Ramayana and Mahabharata over there. So first of all, I'm going to tell you, these things cannot be happened within 2 hours. Movies are going to be, it is the end of the movies, like 2 hours, 3 hours, or the 7 hours. How movies makes? First of all, we have to go for the origin of that. It is written somewhere. The people, they are going to take the script by the books, and after that they are going to create the movies. So for the short term, we can say for the entertaining, movies are better, right? But if you want to get the deeply about that how it was made, so obviously we go for the books, reading books. If without reading books, if you are going for the entertainment, so it means it can give you the pleasure for momentum. But if you want to be happy for the whole life, you go for the reading books. It can give you the contentment for the whole life. Pleasure is a different things, happiness is a different things. If you want to be happy for whole life, so you go for the reading books. Why? Because first of all, what's going surrounding us, we need a doctor, we need an engineer over here, we need a such kind of a specialist physician, not such kind of the singer over there or the actor and actress. What we are learning by the movies, nothing else. So we need a doctor. So for becoming a doctor, we need we have to read the books. By the books, get the knowledge, and surrounding us, we can get them. People, what they need actually, they don't need such kind of vulgar things in the society. Movies, what we are getting by that, people, they are going to be a bad in the society because of the movies. I don't think so. As educated person, we need to watch the movies. As an educated person, this has the responsibility to read the books and get them a good knowledge as a human being. So that's why you cannot say that movies are good for the entertaining. Why? Because you are going to spoil your money in theater, in all the expertise. So I don't think so. It's a good for us.
I'm not agree with her point because today life is very hectic and we don't have time for reading books. And if you want to read books, it takes a long time, and after that we didn't complete the book. But if we see movie for 2 or 3 hours, we complete the whole movie. And as you say, there are many movies good or bad. Then there is also so many books which is good or bad. And in also in movies, there are so many movies on the great personalities like Stephen Hawking and APJ Abdul Kalam, and how to become success. These kinds of motivation movies created, and we get motivated by watching these movies.
If you will think like that, कि if you are reading a book, so you will create a movie in your mind. There will be a picture of something in your mind. But if you are watching a movie, so there will be no picture. They are showing whatever they want to say. So, and there is nothing you can create in your mind. So your creativity will be disappear.
For making picture in mind, I think movies can also make you think. If you are an intellectual person, then it also make you think. And so, like you say, it is time taking to create a movie. So I think book are also the result of a long time. And I think a child cannot read a book, but he can watch movie to learn some good things. And if you read books, then it obviously take time, and maybe you have to read 2 or 3 times to understand a book. But I think movie you can watch once and you can understand that.
If you talk about a child, so there is so many ways you can teach them to how to learn things. If you are reading a book and you are applying the things in your real life, so the child will see it and he will learn about it by seeing you. So as I said, कि movies and mobile phones are so addictive. So I don't think giving a phone to the child is so good.
I want to ask a question. If I purchase a book and after reading book, what is the use of the ad book? It is only a decorative item in our library.
There's a lot of use of your books. If you will keep it anywhere, so the children will read it. They will know about something, and if you read it carefully, so you will get the knowledge about it, what is written in it. It is matters on you. You apply it in your real life or not.
I think you know it very well that today's generation is not interested in reading books, and it is more attracted towards videos and movies like things. So for children, I think if we want to teach him or her, we should more focus on movies like things. And the importance of movies and videos like things can be understood by the new generation of information and communication technology that we use in education purpose. Like we prefer more videos in place of books to understand the things.
You made them like that, कि if you are giving a phone to the child, so it is your fault. You should give them the books. If you will see the people of the old people of ours, so they used to read the books, not the movies. They are not watching the movies, and I think they were so much intelligent than us.
I'm saying that if a child is not interested in reading book, then how can he read the book? But I think he can easily attracted toward a movie and a video. And if we give him some good movies and videos, then obviously he will learn something. And everything is harmful if it is not good, either is book or a movie.
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, I'm going to talk about the basics of the children, right? When they are going to be grown up. First of all, our parents, they are going to aware them about the books. Why? Because the first priority, they have a books in their library or they have a books in their particular individual room, and parents, they are going to tell them what is the basic things of the Hindi or English over there. Why? Because they know that my children will be grown up in the future and how he will tackle the situation or the problems. By the movies, I know if your guys are going to be over 20, then you know about the what is the right for you, what is the wrong for you. But a child who is a 5 or 10 years old, he doesn't know what is the right for him, what is the wrong for him. That's why our children, they are the good teacher. They are going to tell us what is the right things. Why they are going to tell us? By the knowledge, and knowledge is always comes from the books. It cannot be come by the movies. Even Shahrukh Khan once he said that in his video that ki if I spend time, if I'm not doing anything, if I have got the leisure time, I spend in the books. Why? Because he also knows that importance of the books. Books doesn't mean you are going to cram that. Books means you are going to get something because someone has told his experience by the books. So I can say that by the clarification of my sentence is that if you are reading books only, you are not getting the people what they wrote over there. By this you are also learning something by the society, how people they made us. They made something for the country. What is the uses of that? And especially we have this seen the parents, they are going to snatch the phone. Why? From their children, because they know that the value of the time. If they are going to spend their time in the movies, and 90% we can say that not fully, but 90 to 85% the things are going to be bad in the society of the movies. Whether you can see the movie which is going to be released over there now, that is, I forgot the movie name, and people they easily going to imitate the movies. This is the bad things for the society. I don't speak about this in the publicly, we can say that, but people in the age of in a school 10th class 8th class, they are saying that says my girlfriend, says he's my boyfriend. It imitated by the not movie books. It is not written somewhere actually, but people they are getting by the imitation of the actor and actress over there. So it is a bad impact of the society. Our children, they are going to love marriage in the age of 15 or 20. So how the country can be developed by the movies? We need someone like this. So that's why movies, reading books are important, and we should fond of the books, that we can do something for the country.
You talk about girlfriend and boyfriend by seeing movies, but I agree there are so many activities done in movies, but there is also so purity of love in movies. Yeah, people know how to love and how to treat their partner by seeing movies and all these kind of things. And by reading books, books never tell you how to express your love. I'm right or not? Not. But in my opinion, I'm right. And in this era, digital thing is giving more importance. Like in Hailey College, digital blackboard is available, and by animated things, students easily learn all the things. Yeah.
If you are seeing a book, so there is a whole lifetime of a person who is writing it. And if you will see a movie of 2 hours and 30 minutes, so they cannot show you the whole movie, the whole life of a person, and they only show what they want to show. And we are watching it, and we are assuming it ki I am the person in the movie who is the hero.
Like you say, I think movies are the need of the day. For what you say that we cannot get the whole story, but I think movies are the thing that make us understand a long story in a short time. and in today's arena we lacks of time. So it is most important to get understand more quickly any topic. And so you said about the wrong things in the society like girlfriend and boyfriend. Then there are so many books that also taught about that thing. That someone has written in a story about his girlfriend and boyfriend. So it is everywhere. And movies are also the part of I think books like various ancient movies based on ancient history. They are also taken from the books. So the concept is that movies make you understand the whole story in a very short time.
They are not gonna show you the formulas in that are written in the books, and that will only show you the person who are making the formulas. And you cannot learn so many things in the movies. They only show vulgarity in the movies, and people are after it cause of it, and they show it because of people are going behind it. And I don't think there's anything that we can learn from nowadays movies.
You learn formulas by seeing marathon in YouTube videos. It is also a movie. Yeah. And let me complete. You wear jeans or hoodie. In books, in books is written that you have to wear these kind of jeans and hoodie. By you seeing these things in advertisement or in movies, na, that now jeans are in trend and now hoodie is in trend.
I have seen it in the shop, so I buy it.
Actually, once I saw our celebrity, especially cricketers over there, they came for the advertisement on YouTube actually. Before that, they had a paper and they were cramming the all the script over there, because the guys are not too much educated. They are going to deliver something in the society. That's why they have to need a script, and for the script you have to deliver the sentences over there. If people are not studious, we don't know the education, the value of education, so obviously we can spoil the country. Especially if I talk about Sehwag and the Kapil Dev, they were selling Kamla Pasan. Think about what is the bad effect of the society. Our children who is going to take Kamla Pasan, what they will learn by them. That's why the tremendous change can be done by the publicly. If I talk about then intellectual person, they can do it. By movies nothing can be done. Smuggling, chain snatching, kidnapping, this can be this kind of things happening because of the movies. People, they have the AK-47. Why they are going to kill someone as a gun point? Because it is going to imitate by the movies. They want to get the six pack. Salman Khan wants to get a six pack because it's a need of the movies. But why you are getting the six pack? Why do you need it? But people, they are going to imitate by the movies, and they are going to snatch money from the family. After that, they are going to gym. So we don't need to this kind of things in the society, ma'am. For social welfare, we have to know about what is the reason behind that, and by this we have to read the books. Reading book doesn't means it's read that like a history and geography. You should read that what is the moral of that books and who made that. Number of the times you guys spoke about the Abdul Kalam. He known as a educated person of the country. He known as a scientist of the country. He doesn't known as a movies singer and actress like that or actor like that. So I don't think so. Movies are going to be on the good path for the especially youngster. So I think it should be eradicated from the country. I'm not a single supporting of the movies.
So I'm not agree with your point that someone is learning snatching from the movies, because movies, I think movies are being made after 1980, but before that these kinds of activities are present in our society, like snatching and theft. Everything is present in our society, so we cannot say people are learning from these things from movies. And so
Movies are made by reading books.
It became so common after the movies are made. And if you will see in the movies, a single person is beating the whole of the army. So how can you assume it that a single person can kill all the people in a movie? And if we read about the books, so what is written there, it is 90% in the books are written that is the real story of a person or a real thing, and they are not assuming it like.
So movies are made by reading books, and no, there are so many thriller books. You don't know where the movie is created, but it is created by reading books. There are so many thriller books. Like there is a movie named Haseen Dilruba in which killing is done by reading Kausaliya.
You would actually before 1 second you told about any movies, Haseen Dilruba, something like that. The content, think about the content and think about the name of the movie, Haseen Dilruba. You are getting something by this? You have any emotion, any kind of emotion over here? And how will you tell your daughter and son, upcoming actually,
It's kind of vulgar.
this kind of vulgar things, how you can tell them? A child who is going for under you, he is going to be nourished or grown up under you. You are going to tell them, beta, just go to Lucknow and watch movie in Crown Mall. If you want to learn something in the society, that time you will prefer always books. Beta, read it, it's your basic. After that, go for the entertainment after 20 or 25. At the starting stage, we talk about the tier 1, so we have to focus on these things in the society. If I want to do something, if I want to develop my personality, even the personality doesn't mean that you go to and watch the movies in the theater. Personality is a part of education. Education can become by the books. It is not written somewhere like watching movies by it can become.
It is only vulgar in Hindi, but if we translate Haseen Dilruba English, na, the beautiful beloved. Now it is not vulgar.
And sir, like you talk about vulgarity, then I think there are books also that create vulgarity. We have seen some books like Kam Sutra. They also the things that talk about vulgarity. So it is up to you that what you are grasping from that movie or that book. And sir, you say that everything in book is written correctly. Then I am not agree with this point because there are various books written by many historians that talk about different things. Like you heard about Ashoka, that he killed his 100 brothers. After that, he was made king. But in different books, you did not find that mention.
I am saying that he killed all the 100 brothers at a same time. Like he was standing single over there, and they were standing 100 of them. He killed it like that or not?
For movie purpose, it is like बढ़ा चढ़ा कर दिखाना, क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Exaggerated. For exaggerating purpose they used to do this, but it is not in real thing. And in movie, every good movie has a moral in last. If you watch till last, then you will learn something. If someone is fighting, then it has resulted in that he was caught by police, and he was punished. And you have seen in every movie that dharma victory over the adharma in every good movie.
Okay, first things you are going to mention about dharma and adharma, right? No, you said that. Who will justify what is the dharma, what is the karma, and what is adharma? Who will justify? We people. And we should have a knowledge about like that. We should have some information feeded in our mind. What is a good books for us? What is a bad what is a bad books for us, and what is a good books for us? Who will tell you in the society? By watching movie, it can be possible to get the good books and the bad books. First,
By reading book, you cannot
by reading books, we can justify that what is the good for me, what is the bad for me.
justify movie also.
Movies, what kind of movies are going to tell that they are going to prefer you that you should watch this movie, this you should read this books, that books.
Like it is said,
our parents, they can.
by seeing it cover. So you have
That's-
to read a book by
Okay.
before justifying that. The
Uh,
word is
for this,
like movie also. You should
Movies.
watch movie first, then you should justify
Sir, for purifying the person is necessary to have information in his mind. What kind of books, sorry, what kind of movies that he can tell you that you can be an engineer within 2 years? I have a just book, I have a movies. You don't have but I have a books. What kind of movies that can make you a good policeman? What kind of movie you have that you can be an advocate? You have any movies? Tell me the movie's name. I will watch today. But I have such a books that it can make you the engineer, it can make you a doctor, it can be a good person by the books. But tell me the any kind of movie that you can be a good doctor in the society.
Yes, sir.
And how I want, yes, please tell me. Any kind of movies, if you have, please tell me and mention in videos.
So I am not unable to recall the name of any movie, but we have movies that teach you good things like about our country, about the nationalism, like Tiranga movie, Laksh movie, and so, for good doctor, there are various movies in which a doctor treat a person in free. You have seen in movies.
In movies, those doctor who is going to be higher, they are also educated.
Yes.
Right? A vulgar person or the uneducated person, they are not allowed to make the movies. They are going to hire according to their personality, or their, they have some information regarding the technologies that they are going to deliver there. So I am saying that movies, it's not good. Why? Because the people, those who are going to be hired in the movies, they are a part of the society and they are educated. Education means they have a good information which they have read in the books. All the formulas which, if we are going to take medicine by the doctor, no, which they have prescribed, so it is also the formula of the books. They cannot deliver, they cannot prescribe the single things without information, and we cannot learn it by the movies. Simple. Again, I am saying to you guys, just change yourself, change your mentality, change your all the things. Movies is not good for the country, right?
I think you have to change yourself, sir.
Please.
Sir, children knows many things like humanity, and sharing is caring by seeing videos, and we are aware by so many things by in social media.